Hi guys, it's Robert from Heel & Toe. Welcome to another video. We're about to embark on a very special trip over a long weekend into the Alps. But more on that later. Before that, we're in Frankfurt right now to pick up the Alpine A110S, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, since the trip is starting tomorrow at the crack of dawn, we gotta head back to Munich and I will see you there tomorrow. And before I forget, as you can see, we've got the merchandise now, it's in the store, we have our signature series up. So I'd love it if you could drop by, maybe order something. It supports us a lot and helps us make these videos. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. The ride is a 3-day trip crossing through the Alps, covering plenty of tight, twisty roads. Once this trip was in the books, I knew I had to get an Alpine. Normally I'm not the biggest fan of these kind of rallies, but this isn't quite that. It's just about driving and finding the flow. There's no timing, no flare guns, no nonsense. Everyone here just wants to drive. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the film. At the end of our first day. Unfortunately, it really was not much of a spectacular day due to the torrential weather, and we even had snowfall coming across the Brenner Pass, which is unbelievable. But now, just before the hotel, we have some nice empty roads, 9 degrees, which is not ideal, and a bit of rain. But that's where this car is fun, especially if you put it into sport and a little bit more lively. You have some more pops and bangs on the overrun. Just turn traction control off. And this is where the car really does start to dance. that's what I love about this car. It does something which so many other cars don't really do, that are so heavy. It really teaches you to be on your feet the whole time. Because of its lightweight and the mid-engine layout, the car just wants to rotate if you do push it. But until that happens, it does have a lot of grip, and you can really feel the rear axle working, especially once you get some speed up. You feel that diffuser working. And I mean, the diffuser goes all the way up till in front of the rear wheels. And at high speed, surprisingly, there's a lot of grip. I'm just now, the rear wanted to brake a little bit loose, but the car just finds itself. It's fantastic. I mean, a small car for trips like these is excellent. Second gear. And the nice thing is you can keep the gear in. First gear. Let's get it out. Into second, you can keep it going. Fantastic. Incredible. I love that the car lets you hang the gear, and that's what really lets you keep the slide going, and it's important that you get to decide when to shift. And when you have enough momentum and speed, you can keep it going, keep it going. So the Alpine is great to drift and proves to be a perfect car for this kind of a trip crossing through the Alps. The more time I spend in it, the more its flaws become noticeable. These are mostly ergonomical and quality related things. The layout of the buttons are pretty terrible. The flappy pedals are much too short and close to the stock controls for the fact that they have a fixed position. The center console interface, I would rather just use it as a sticky surface for my phone mount. However, once you start to get into the flow of driving, all this doesn't matter. The rear-wheel drive, mid-engine layout provides such a predictable driving experience. It only has 292 horsepower, which in today's terms is not much, but for its size and weight, it's plenty. If only there was a third pedal. So day 2, everybody's starting to get out. The sun is slowly starting to come out, although it is going to stay around 3 degrees. So it is going to stay exciting. But I'm very excited to head up to Passagia. We have some very good roads coming up today. So yeah, I really look forward to this day. We just have the first stint behind us. What a fantastic road. It actually is a lot of fun because it's a little bit damp, and all of us are sliding around a little bit. We've got Heap in front of us with the Focus RS right now, which is just so much fun to drive behind. It's such a unique car with its 5-cylinder engine. And this car is so good to drift. it stays in gear. I love it. Down into first. Into second. And you can just hold it forever.
Tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell you, mama. I tell you, papa, too.
So here we are, the last day of the ride. We've just left the hotel and we're on our way back to Germany. And on our way back, we do still have some very nice pass roads and infinitely better weather than the last couple days. We do see some snow on the Alps, but the roads are dry. We've got 12 degrees and some beautiful roads ahead of us. So I look forward to that a lot. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different, a little bit more of a journey, and I hope you enjoyed coming along. And thank you very much for tuning in. If you liked it enough, please subscribe and leave a like. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, I enjoyed the Alpine a lot. What a fantastic car for this trip. Especially the lightness and the nimbleness of the car. It's just so thankful on these past roads. And I just had such a good time driving in a train with my best friends. Great cars, great roads. There was no time pressure. It was no rally, there was no flares, no stickers. It's just about driving, and that's what the ride is about. And getting the car sideways. Fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. A big thank you to Oleg from Classic Städt in Frankfurt for trusting me with his Alpine. I'll put the contact details down below. And another big, massive thank you and shout out to Mitya and Sasha from oleg.tretiakov. They helped out with a lot of the filming. They actually did most of the filming on this trip and the production work. So a big thank you for them. I'll also put them down below. And yeah, guys, thank you so much. Let me know what you thought of the car and the trip. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna shout it out. Yeah.